Hey, I appreciate y'all. It's a family name. Obviously, the YNG's for young. We came out here from Columbus. I'm originally from the West Coast. I'm from Colorado and Utah. But I'm out there, over there in Columbus on Hamilton. We run a little studio called JLC Entertainment. We just won the Best Studio of the Year award at the red carpet. It was lit. But before all that bullshit, we bootstrap everything we do. And we all about the people. So I hope the songs tonight hit y'all. And I'm gonna start off with a little unreleased hit with Croissant. He's a big artist out of the South, and I'm gonna go ahead and start there. We're gonna do some rough type shit, a little bit of unfiltered shit, and then we're gonna move into more of the hip hop, bouncing, getting crunk type shit. So you find me on all platforms, YNG Luciano. If you need my info, I'm out of cards, but I got my dots. So let's fucking turn this shit up. Get your drinks, make sure you smoke it, and let's have a good time. DJ, let's run this shit. Don't worry, we just getting y'all excited. Yep, that's the one. Hey, you know, the technology's trying to work against us. Alright, this one's called Hellbound. Like I said, it's a little darker, but it's about to get dropped in about a few weeks, so tell me how you rockin' with it. I want to start out with something new.
Come on down, bitch, I'm riding through your town.
And Croissant couldn't be here, but make sure you look him up. CREWSANT, let's go.
The way it sounds, and I'm laying on the ground. Laying on the ground, no I don't fuck around. Leave you strapped to that chair, blood dripping down your frown. Operation is a mess when you turn in my brow, or you fuck with my crowd. I'm about to get loud. It's about my career, I'ma gush you like a drought. Laughing in my face like a cloud, blowing down fast in my town. Will you let my mind cool off and calm down? On a set, it's a mess, I'm a wreck. PTSD power me like a jet. You can't handle me, kill you silently. Smiling on the beat, it's elementary. How I handle your jealousy and hate, I be laughing eternally like, look, this is great. Now drop, kick you on some stupid shit. Internally you bleed while I throw this brick at your face. Then rush into place, kill you, yeah, just for the pay. Then fucking empty the safe. Put on the show, and slit the throats on my walls, closing all these tone holes. Bitch, I'm riding through your town. Got a big nigga assassin. It's working around. Put your mouth, got a deal on the house. Like the way it sounds. You laying on the ground. Playing stupid games like Nintendo, and I'm a foot to switch. Push a few buttons, and just like that, I'll delete your bitch. 9mm, go meet your feelings, heat up beneath ya. Fuck you and your feature, anarchy with a dose of ether. So watch out for your sneakers when I kick it down to Rabbit Town. Disrespect and never return home now. Creatures, so seekers, jet dealers, for reapers. This shit just keeps getting deeper and deeper. Croissant and Luciano, Ranger rap, that's a fact. We coming with the bag to your back. If you up the flag, we go spaz and attack. Fuck the police, yeah they whack. My music just made an officer have a heart attack. We want to perform a 187 on the track. Yeah, the bag, feel me spaz, but the frog on your dad. Yeah, it's bad, like back then. I'm popping off, shotgun down, sign off. Did my ammunition in piss for my enemies. That way they know it's me when it stings and it bleeds. From another creed, a 95 baby. I'm going off the rails, going fucking crazy. Down, bitch, I'm riding through your town. Got a big bag of that gas and that shit is ruby around. Off your mouth. Got a deal on the house. The way it sounds. And you laying on the what? On the ground. Don't fuck around. This is our town. Hellbound.
Yeah, how y'all liking that shit? Like I said, it's for a whole other crowd. You got a darker type crowd, but I feel like they do some metal and shit here. They can Alright, this next one's called Dark Rhymes. I hope you like this shit. This shit ain't filtered, y'all. I don't do that sugar-coated bullshit. I'm from the fucking west side, and I fuck with the south cause they know how to do it. So we're gonna turn it up for y'all tonight. And let's hope everybody goes home alright. Say prayers for your enemies and your families.
Look at me, you think you know me, assuming and losing your mind, trying to judge the cover of another book that knows no slumber. Now let me show you something that don't make your ass shudder. Wonder, my life through a scary little town. Fucking with me now, you go see how I get down. Might have ran something like an insane clown, twisted in tears, earned abuse. What nothing but fear, I hit the ground. PTSD as I bleed, the aftermath ain't sweet G. Can't open doors without looking back, never knowing where somebody's about to attack a pale down. This shit goes down, and you gon' have to lay that motherfucker out. They thought the pills were the way to throw me down. Foster homes and facilities were my only home. I've branded a woman in a scrub gown. Wow, stay owns the house now. Drugs had the family talked down. Neglect and abuse were all around. Set fire to the demon state, pull me out. PTSD, that's my memory. Blackout and don't remember me. Unleash the beast that knows the fiends. Manic ADHD. Feel the fire, plant the seed. Broke the strong, now they weak. Read to their knees. If they play with me, understand I don't need a gram. Zuckerberg to find your fam. Then drops in dark webs. Manifest are objects that won't miss a spot. When they hit your rock. Red dot on your head like a game of laser tag. Better get a blade off of the pain and shade. Basement made to interrogate. Leave your ass in the shade to incinerate. Your bitch name off your waistline, never late. You got need to pray to a God that gives a fuck when you catch a fade. Yeah, give a fuck when you catch a fade. Dark thoughts and dark lies, dark rhymes in these dark
Let's
times.
fucking go! I'm waiting to drink for this shit. Let's fucking go! What?
You grab your shot, you bitch, you want. Go grab the wine, put the cork inside. I show him how to fight die. Like my uncle Luciano, and on times I ain't blind. I run for mine, I'll do the time. Bash an officer out in due time. 27 on a block with my 9. Let's go, it's time. Time to alive with the rhyme to get up in time. So up this one of mine, one cheeks moving silent. Surprise so hard, sleeper bags under my eyelids. You never catch me slipping cause I'm your highness. Pull up an hour to sleep and mental dryness. Say memories that bleed through the cornea. Please bro, you ain't breaking me a corny bro. You ain't facing me, gun to my head, I'm still a G. It can't make me, can't fake me, adversity made me. Now shut the fuck up like a baby. Dark thoughts and dark lines, dark rhymes in these dark times. Just stay in line, fuck my mind, grind time, let's go unwind. This is side of the time,
How y'all that shit? I appreciate it. That was my first song to get on the radio. It's been on the radio a few times. I'm really blessed to have it. I've only been doing hip hop for a year. I used to do some other genres, so I'm very blessed to work in the studio and be able to be here today. So let's fucking turn up. All these beats in between are to my songs coming out. That last one's called Level Up.
Coming on the hill, Nephilim prayer.
Alright, one more crazy song and then we'll go to the normal shit, okay? This for those real G's. Anyone who takes care of their family, live everything.
Breathe, bitch.
Let's fucking go.
Get it. Straight stress, gotta get these demons on my chest. Got blast with strikes coming at you, blazing tax. Please and cheese when I leave you on your knees. Pray please, living into hell from off the shelf. I'm gonna ring a bell. Body this beat and crack your soul, now your soul fell. Now you're correct, I'm fall through the fuck. Never fuck with the heaven center, we go blow. Fallen angels marching to the drum to your front door. Yeah, you're irrelevant. I put you in the ground with the celibate. Oxygenated relatives, I ain't having interest. What the Terminator media? Nigga rip red. but cream my face, think that type of shit, ayy. You ain't messing with my game. I keep singing Mondo, let's play. You ask for a prayer, so let the hands go up. Another for a prayer, now raise your motherfucking hands up. I'm out, trying to find the shadows right under the bed. Something I'm here to do, but many folks seem to neglect to do.
Let's go, everybody. This one's coming out soon. This one's called Drill Mafia. I hope y'all rocking with everything so far. How we doing tonight? Alright, this one's for all the ladies and everybody who's like to dance. I want you to just have fun in this one. We're out of the hood now, y'all. We out of the trauma. We gonna do this shit fun now, y'all. Let's do this shit. Fuck it.
Call me the running man, take flight like Peter Pan. They don't wanna meet the fan, get on the ground, blow it on a piece of land. Y'all seem to understand what the fuck. I'ma be the man, yet still ain't the man. Fuck a plan, running off like a winner man to a state of comprehend. Here I call 10 toes around the bend. It's your hand, if you don't play, put the wrong button, you in trouble again. Whoa, and I got a like, it all go like whoa, jump that ass to the floor. When you on the floor, act slow mo like no, we came to go. Eating this shit, my first, ready for attention. What a mention, like me giving me the wrong direction. I like attention, don't mention the section. Real G silent, we don't need no mention. I'm gonna go a regular connection. I'm performing lyrical ascension. It's a lyrical ascension. Slicing up these bars, placing them in jars. I go hard. It's my lyrical ascension. Whole world gone, so come to my section. We gon' turn up, and they get the message. Jump that ass slow, shake it all directions. Lyrical ascension, shake it all directions. My lyrical ascension, now shake it all directions. So quick, I take a hit, get a lick, spread it for the split. Little quick hit, go low, had to live low for the shit. Maneuver to the wick, quick dip the hip, put with a stick. Double entendre with the rhetoric. Lanes and things got me so celibate. Even a blue pill and money won't change that shit. I'm hella lit, hella fit. Energy to wit, I await. Function, hustle, and I still spit spiritual awakening. Is this it? If you're wondering, I'm my wit. Please use it. Off the wall and a wall, a ball till I fall, then a skull. I scale a hall and escalators in the wall. 10 toes with jaw, 5 pounds to the jaw, and you fucking.
It's my lyrical ascension, whole world gone, so come to my section. We gon' turn up, yeah, you get the message. Drop that ass slow, shake it all directions. My lyrical ascension.
How y'all fucking with that? Huh? Yeah, let's go. Make sure you go and get some of that real merch. I'm gonna have that shit eventually, but make sure you fuck with a girl, alright? Let's go.
Yo, my boy Aiden, we about to take this track international.
Alright, this shit is #1 in Australia.
Untouchable or mass, hit you with the knapsack, sliding down the alley. This ain't no cash grab, this is real rap, maniacal laughs. Hit the concrete with the bang, to lay the fuck back. You can't touch that, boom my clap. Australia, America, I know you like that. Do legal flows, 16s in arrows, like top heroes. Spark the fuego, into the smoke, on the lane, here we go. Medicated flows, on the nose, baby girl, don't play with your nose. Smoking her violent flows, sexual tensions rose. I grew up in the depths of hell. Fooling angel with the heart on my chest, laying bars while I'm on the set. Lyrical blood drops from my head while I'm getting head. What's next? Need land, sea, air in the chest. Motorboat slowly comes and barely holding heavy token while we floating. Elevated token on the breeze, early focus. Who's sitting up, don't give a fuck. Skated and baited, heavily medicated and medicated. And touchable as fuck. If you haven't touched it, you get mafia chuck. Busted up back in the trunk. In the land, now I know where you saw me singing with dead fishes. Now you're nice, untouchable for life.
They call us the Untouchables.